Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Stevenson Lindor. I have a special guest, and I'm super excited today because I have another wonderful success story for you guys. I have Chalcye Atkins here. And listen, guys, what she's been doing in the trading space has been absolutely phenomenal. Guys, you are in for a very special treat. I'm going to ask her a number of questions, and you guys are going to actually get an inside look to exactly how she became a success story. Literally, I'm talking about somebody who went from the banking industry to now a professional trader. She was also able to help even her husband, right, get into the trading industry. And she's going to explain in depth how you guys can do the exact same thing. So Chalcye, what's going on?
Hey, Steve. Thanks so much for having me today. I'm super excited to be with you. Very, very excited to share with the people today.
Awesome, awesome. Of course, first and foremost, I want to make sure you're safe out there. The world is going crazy right now. And, with so many people struggling, it's always a bright spot to see everyday average people, especially somebody like you, a woman, right? I know there's a lot of women out there that are trying to figure out how they're going to supplement their income, how they're going to make money on a day-to-day basis. And you've been able to basically find that loophole, and it's allowed you to make money from home. So I'm going to ask you a few questions, right? The audience wants to know. They want to know how you're doing it, how you've become such a success story, and how they can get involved. So first things up, we're going to rock and roll and start this off. So how did you get into trading?
So I actually, like you said, I was in banking. I'm a mom. So for me, like the whole thing was, how can I make money but still be able to spend time with my family? And I was finding that like struggle. I was missing a lot of big events for my kids. And so I got to the point where I was just really, really frustrated with having to choose my job over my family. And so I was just kind of like looking around. I had heard about forex from some of our different clients at the bank. And I started doing some research. And we came across Guinevere Ramos, so one of the members on our team. I came across some posts that she had posted, and I just started digging. Lorenzo and I started looking at it, and I was like, I think that this might be the thing. Like, I think that this might be my solution to being able to stay at home. So I just kind of started digging into it, and here I am.
Here you are. All right, cool. So we have a lot of mothers out there, right? Who especially, they want to be stay-at-home moms, right? They want to make that transition. They want to stay home, spend more time with their kids, educate them, of course. So when you initially made that transition, what was it like? Like, were you scared, even though you found trading, but you're like, man, now I don't have that income, that guaranteed income. Now I'm betting on myself. Right. So what was that motivation? What was that transition like? Because a lot of mothers out there, they're watching this because they're looking at it and they're like, should I do it? I wanted to do it, but I'm kind of scared, man. That's a big jump. So
yeah. So for me, it was terrifying. Like listen, women, we are creatures of habit. Like, we don't like change. We're nervous about things like that. We need to know the ins and outs of everything. So it was terrifying for me. And luckily, my husband is like, babe, I know what you're capable of. Like, anything you put your mind to, you can do it. Like, and if you think that this is going to be something that is going to be your solution and your way out, it doesn't hurt to at least try it and look further into it. So for me, like, I personally struggle with anxiety. I always have. And that was one of my biggest things, especially after I had my daughter. My anxiety had gotten to the point where I was like really, really having a hard time of like trying to manage and balance everything. So that whole anxious feeling of, oh my gosh, I'm leaving what everyone tells me what I should be doing. I went to college. I have a college degree. You and I graduated around the same time, the last time that the market crashed. I had a really hard time finding a job then. And so I kind of felt like if I left banking or if I left my career, who's going to take me back and see that I wasn't working? So of course there was that stress, that there was that fear. But as soon as I saw the support that I was going to have and the education that I was going to get and all of those things, it kind of eased my mind because everything was so well placed and there was such a good foundation that it really was a smooth transition to be able to just kind of go from having my schedule be one thing to having my schedule be another. So that was a huge blessing.
Okay, so when you made that transition, you're basically stating that, you know, you had the support obviously of your husband, right? Shout out to Lorenzo. And then you had the support of Gwen and basically this community, right? This platform. So give us a little insight. How is like having access to, you know, the right guidance, the right mentorship, the right platform, how is that crucial to your success?
It is amazing. So knowing that I can go to someone like you who is an educator on the platform and ask a question and have that direct contact, knowing that there's other people who are 6 and 7 figure earners on the same team who have been in that same beginning stages and know what steps not to take and what to guide me and the plan on how I can truly be successful. We literally have built a 30 days to success so that when people come in, they already have a structure of what they're looking at. And that's an amazing thing to be able, especially as someone who was nervous about change, to be able to come in and say, okay, day 1 through 30, this is what I'm gonna do. And as long as I follow these steps, I should be on the path to making money and earning while I learn and all of those things. So that was definitely a huge comfort there.
So wait. So you're talking about the average person, somebody who knows absolutely nothing, because people are watching this right now. Like they want to know, you know, people out there, they think, you know, trading is a scam. You can't win. Only the big banks, only, you know what I'm saying? So there's a basically 30-day game plan that's going to ensure if people step by step follow the blueprint, they'll be successful.
Yes.
Okay.
And that was the biggest comfort.
Okay. How about this? Let's do this for the audience. Let's give them an actual walkthrough, right, of what this community, what's this environment, and, you know, how within, you know, day 1 to day 30, how they're going to be successful. I just want to let you guys know, past performance doesn't guarantee future profits. Anything you see here, right, this is all speculative. It's all based on, you know, the amount of money you start and everything. Nothing is guaranteed. So definitely give us that walkthrough, Chalcye.
Yeah, so this is our community. We have it set up so that you can literally come right in, and this is the first tab that you're gonna look at. We guide you right to go to this tab. So we have a 30-day quick start. It basically breaks down what it's gonna look like for you in those first 30 days, how to set up your broker account, how to do everything that you need to do to be able to be successful, who to follow, what education sessions are going to be the most beneficial for you. And then the tab continues. So it tells you exactly where you need to go to be able to get your curriculum and to get, you know, everything that you're going to need to access to be successful. It's also going to give you resources and videos that are going to break down for you step by step exactly what we've done to be successful, how to set up a broker account. And then if you're trading, depending on if you're trading binary options or not, so there's a 30 days to success that we have broken down for you here, day 1 through 30. So depending on how you come into that platform, it's going to give you every single resource that you need to be able to set up every tool that you're going to need for that.
Wow, that's amazing. I like that. I haven't seen nothing that organized and clean. Probably ever. So, all right, cool. So this is the game plan. Now, do you have any success stories to share? Like people who've actually followed this and that are winning on a consistent basis?
Yeah, so we actually have a ton. We have a whole guest room that people are able to come in and kind of take a look. They motivate people. They're posting their profits. So we have some traders who just recently started trading binary options within the last couple of weeks. So this is Sean. Sean is new to binary options, and this is a little bit small, but so basically Sean wagered here. He wagered this amount on this side. So he wagered $200 on a sell on this pair. When he won the trade, he won $332. So he profited $112. Here, he wagered $332. He profited $564. So that's what, $232 that he made just by taking that trade. And you can see, I mean, with binary options, you're in and out of the trade. Here is an even bigger one. So he wagered $950 and change. He came out of that trade with $1,600. So I can tell you, even being in retail banking, I made a significant amount of money between my salary and my commission. I was in sales. We were heavy in sales. I was not bringing home every 2 weeks out of my salary $1,600. So, and this is someone who literally just started trading a couple weeks ago. So he basically followed the plan. Yeah, he followed the plan. He's following the educators. He's getting right on to their sessions. Here again, he won 4 trades and he lost 1. So, you know, yes, he lost 1, but you can see his profits are outweighing what he lost on that trade. So he wagered, again, you know, around $700. He made $1,150 on that trade. He wagered $450. He made $765. And that's, you know, just one piece of it. People are also securing profits on the foreign exchange side. So they are making money. Bear with me. There's a lot of
success.
Yes, a lot of success story. A lot of, you know, this is Derek. Derek took a $100 account. He just joined our team. Okay. Derek took a $100 account to $2,900 in 2 weeks.
Oof.
Just by hopping on with the educators. Like,
that's strong.
Yes. So, I mean, there's a ton of opportunity, and I have people who come to me and they say, well, you were in banking, you probably understand this better. No, I was at no advantage because I had never traded in the market. I had never worked with stocks or, you know, anything like that. So it's just an awesome opportunity to be able to come in and be supported. You know, you're going to have different guides that are going to walk you through everything. You're going to have a whole team behind you. And I can show you here. I mean, there are over 300 people in our group that are here to give you that support, that are here to treat you like family, that are here to support you throughout that entire process.
Yes, and support is such a big thing. I tell people all the time, like, it's not enough for you to just get the tools and the resources. If you don't, you know, like the saying goes, you know how it takes a village to raise a child, right?
Yes.
You can resonate with this. It's not just you, Lorenzo, the family, like it's the entire community, the neighbors, everybody raising that child. So to be a successful trader, you need to be surrounded by other traders, right? You need that support to ask questions and to, you know, walk you step by step and how to, you know, navigate through this big world, because it's another world, right? And as you guys can see, she's not only making money just trading in the foreign exchange market, but also binary high frequency trading and just, you know, people, everyday average people making a killing. Did you guys see that? $100 to 29 in just a few days. That's brand new, right? So he's giving you the, you know, the blueprint. So, you know, this is absolutely amazing. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to definitely follow Chalcye, because she's definitely a star in the making. She got a lot of things going on right now, and having access to her community would be a game changer. So Chalcye, if you want to just tell everybody where they can contact you, give them all your social media, your email, let them know, and how they can get in touch with you.
Yeah, so it's pretty easy. My Instagram name is actually in my name on the video down here. So it's Piplifewithchalcye. And then you'll be able to find me the same way on YouTube, Piplifewithchalcye, and you'll be able to connect with our community. You'll be able to see, you know, what we're doing. You're going to get that family-like experience where, you know, you're always going to be connected with somebody who is going to want you to be successful on your journey. I personally do the enrollment and setup for all of our new traders. We have days specifically for people who are joining our family so that we can make sure as soon as you come in, you can hit the ground running. and start making money with us, because there's nothing better than seeing the people that come in with you be successful with you.
Amazing, amazing. Guys, you heard it there first. So you know where to contact her. You know how to get in touch. Listen, if you want to change your life, change only comes if you change. All right? You see what's going on out there. Don't let 2020 end with you guys on the other side of the fence, right? Looking back saying, you know, because of this pandemic, because of everything going on, I wasn't able to accomplish things that I want. You see, everyday average people like Chalcye, like you see with Sean and so many others, are taking advantage of not only the community, but this platform, and absolutely changing their lives. So guys, this is another video of me interviewing another superstar in the making. Thank you so much, Chalcye. We appreciate it. Guys, follow her on Instagram, YouTube, get in contact with her. Reach out to her now. All the info is going to be at the bottom of this video, guys. Leave some comments, show some love. I'll see you all next time.
Thank you.